is the altimeter. The altimeter tells the pilot how high the aircraft is flying. To steer clear of mountains, buildings, and other such obstructions, such as television towers, the pilot must know the altitude at all times. Charts and air traffic rules indicate the minimum height pilots must maintain. There are also specific altitudes to fly based on the direction of flight, which reduces the risk of collisions when pilots are flying by visual flight rules in good weather. During times of reduced visibility, pilots are assigned altitudes by air traffic control. The altimeter is simply a barometer that measures the air pressure and converts that measurements into altitude. Altitude references are generally above sea level, so the pilot has to know the height above sea level of the terrain or obstructions to be sure the plane is at a safe altitude. The altimeter has a knob for adjusting the instrument to take into account changes in barometric pressure at different points of flight as reported by air traffic control. Now, if we look at the altimeter, the needle that's moving, it's around 2 on the altimeter right now. That is the hundreds feet needle, and that tells you how high you are in hundreds of feet. Now, the one that's pointing to the 4, the smaller one, that is the thousands feet. So it's like the smaller hand that's moving faster, that's like the minute hand on the clock. And then the smaller one there with the pointer that's at 4, that's like the hour hand. So right now we're at about 4,000 feet. We're at 4,001 feet and we are climbing. That is how you read the altimeter. Now, that other one that's right by almost at the 0, that one is the 10,000 feet needle. So that's to tell you how many tens of thousands of feet you are above the ground. Now here we can see the altimeter working. We're in a shallow climb, and you can see the altimeter raising up. It's through 4,400 feet, 4,500 feet. Now we're going to put the airplane in a slight dive. You can see the altimeter going the other way. Now it's going from 4,500 feet, 4,300 feet, and coming up on 4,200 feet, showing our descent and where we are. Now we're going to level off, get the plane close to on the horizon. You can see out the window, and we're going to stabilize. We're going to try to stabilize our altitude here, and 4,100 feet. There we go.